Welcome back. I have purchased these quick connect latches and I will be mounting them to the boot, rear lid, trunk. There is a holes in the chassis. There was this kind of rubber boot in here on the both sides. I took them out and then I have purchased I don't know what this is in English, and I will be welding that to that hole. So like this. And then it is adjustable up and down, and the latch will go into that. I need to still cut these rods to length. These will go somewhere there. Now we are in the trunk. I need to cut this to length. This is about 49 centimeters. So I will cut this rod to 53 maybe for now, because the rod can go into the chassis. Okay. This was kind of dangerous cutting by hand. I think I will cut the other one in the vise bench, screw bench. I will. I have grinded the nut, so it is a clean metal. How far do I need to? Oh. Okay. There we are. 89.5. 89.6. $89.7, $89.8, about 21.5 centimeters from the corner of this, so somewhere there, and 15.5 from this edge. So I need to figure out how I make hole enough for this. Hole big enough for this. This is 38 millimeters. And I did go buy a bigger drill bit. This is a 40 millimeter one. I also bought a springs. So this is gonna be spring assisted. Next I need to close it. These are on the trunk. Welcome to the inside. Now, they are attached. Or I will just adjust this like this. Or I will close the lid all the way. And then adjust these springs and then weld everything together. Test fit done. This side is a bit crooked. It pulls it to the forward. So I think I will weld a brace from here to somewhere here. I think that is enough. I did weld the front stays to the mounts. I used the bigger nut in the between, so it is still adjustable. I did attach the stock latch, locking latch. So there is now a 3-point locking. Let me demonstrate. So you can just slam this and then you can push this down.